Hey everyone, Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me walk you around this 2013 Chevy Silverado LT Crew Cab. It's a 4x4, it has the 5.3 liter. Only two owners. We traded in from a guy from Nebraska. It lived its life in Nebraska and Colorado. It's Victory Red, cloth interior, seating for 6. Steering wheel controls, remote start, dual temperature, OnStar. It's just a nice clean truck, really clean. Truck's been leveled, has the 5.5-foot box, bed liner. It's been inspected, just had the oil changed. We're going to give you a 90-day, 3,000-mile warranty that covers powertrain. You can see it at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we're the dealer without the outrageous hidden fees.